Hi friends, if you are in plan for buying a laptop or desktop for your purpose of gaming or professional uses, this video is for you. In this video we are going to watch 3 websites through which you can download basic test softwares, and even you can check the graphics online for your PC, which you are going to decide for your purpose. So before you buy a laptop or desktop, you should go for these simple tests for checking the graphics and the CPU or GPU or SSD capacity, and this video is really going to be helpful in selection of a new, or already if you are upgrading your PC, this video is useful for you. So let us watch what we can do with these websites. So this is being the user benchmark website, and it is having a software testing feature, and we have a free download software for our PC to check the configuration and the speed of PC. So you can speed test your PC in less than a minute using this software, and I will show you. I'm not going to download or install the software in this video. You have to do this for your new PC, and you can check all the parameters being used to decide a PC CPU, GPU or SSD or HDD. So let us see how it works. This is being the gaming best performing screen like thing, and it is having UFO or UFO like categories. So overall PC performing way, or processor and graphics, boot drive, memory and OS version, you can check using this software, and you can check in fact CPU, GPU, SSD, HDD, RAM and USB using this software. And if we talk about the best CPU available in the market as of time, so, and best performance or CPU which you can decide. So this is being the screen for CPU ratings and the trends. So Intel Core i5 11400 11400F is being the best CPU as of now as per user rankings. So this has got all the great rankings, and similarly you can check your CPU which you are going to decide for your desktop or laptop from this screen, and everything is available on this screen. So you can make a note of these. And if we talk about the GPU, so this is the graphics card basically. So best user rated GPU is here. NVIDIA RTX 3070 got the top position, and rest of details of GPUs are here, so you can check this. Okay, again if we go for SSD, Samsung 970 Evo plus NVMe PCIe is the best, and rest of SSD has been compared here, and you can select the capacity, filtration and all such things. So you can use all these features, and I don't recommend HDD in this era of new development. So you can check the RAM as well. So this website is going to help you in configuring the right machine, right computer for you. And okay, so now I will show you another website, and this is Passmark software, and definitely I am going to add the link of this website in the description of this video itself, and you can download software for any of operating system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or even for mobile. So you can have this software for performance test, and you can have all the tests. So CPU test suite and memory test suite are here, and you can even compare the performance of devices online. So search for CPU model, high-end CPU check, and so you can check the CPU model for comparing the CPUs, different CPUs. So you can have a compare option like this, and this is also a very wonderful website for comparing and making your decision easier for you. So this is being another good feature, and even a software is available. You can download it, and yes, you can use for the purpose. Okay, so finally I am going to show you how to check graphics of your probable PC online. This is a very wonderful website called web.basemark.com, and I'll add link of this website as well. And using this website online, you can check the graphics of your PC. And now I am going to show you the graphics of my PC which I am using at present. And simply open the website and click on Start. And yes, the graphics test has been started, and you can see the screen. There are 20 tests going to run in this test series. So we have to wait until it get complete, and it will finally show you the result of your graphics status, and it may take up to 3 to 20 minutes. And so if you are checking for your mobile, use the charger, don't let it down. And there are tests like 4 tests already completed, and now it is running for 5th. Every result is being collected, and the tests are going on, and we have to wait until it finishes. And the final screen is here for this PC which I am using. This says test run was completed without issues. So this is showing the resize capabilities of 75.86%, and this is the overall score, and this is the background. So let us see the results from PowerBoard, and this is something else which I don't know what it is. So this is being the screen for testing the graphics of your PC, and this shows it does not have any issue. So you can use these functions for deciding your PC, and I believe this video is going to be useful if you are going to buy a new PC. And you can have these simple tests, and fine, you can have a good PC using this test. Thanks for watching.